it's been great to meet you, and I appreciate all the support that I've had from you over the past few years.
Hey sir, I just wanted to thank you for everything that you've done through my past few years while you've been at the school. It's been really great, you've helped me out a lot.
Thank you for being an amazing principal, you're always nice and fun to be around.
Thanks Mr Brennan for being a good principal over the years that you've been at St Augustine's.
Thanks Mr Brennan for being nice and helping me out when I'm feeling down.
Thank you for all you've done for us at the college, and we wish you nothing but the best in your future endeavours.
Thanks Mr Brennan for being a great principal and playing in the touch footy game.
Hi Matt, thank you so much for your time here. We're really going to miss you, and I just wanted to personally thank you for everything you've done to support me. It's not going to be the same here without you, and make sure you come back up north and visit us at some point in the future.
Thank you sir for all that you've done for us. We loved having you as a principal. Best wishes at your next job.
He's been a good principal since we were here in grade 7, and he's always done well, and hope to see him do well in the future.
Hi Mr Brennan, good luck for the future. Safe travels.
Thanks Matt for all of your support during your time here, and best of luck at your new school.
Hey Matt, thank you so much for the job and the opportunity, and all the best at your new school.
Mr Brennan, on behalf of the college leadership team,
we would like to thank you for having the heart of a Queenslander,
the strength of a Clans local,
and the spirit of a Marist.
You're simply the best.
Mr Brennan, thanks very much for all you've done for us. Just before you go, I'd just like you to know how much I love Queensland. Peace out.
It's a difficult time we gather here today to say farewell. It's been great to have you with us in our community in the last 3.5 years. I have really appreciated your help and support and friendship. You've been a great support for all of us.
Hey Matt, from the Learning Enrichment Department, we just want to say a huge thank you to you and to the PNF for giving us this wonderful facility that we use every day with our boys, and we wish you all the best. Thank you.
Mr Brennan, I'd just like to give you a massive thank you on behalf of our college community, the Saints family, for rejuvenating and really giving a face over to Mission Central. It's a wonderful gift, and it's a legacy that we're going to be talking about for a very long time. So on behalf of me and all of the students, thank you so much.
Mr Brennan, I wanted to thank you for bringing technology to the college. By installing the live streaming from Lennon Hall, we've been able to share the many wonderful activities and celebrations at the college with not only parents online, but family far beyond our small community here in Cairns.
I'd just like to express my gratitude to Mr Matthew Brennan. He's been a great support to me, and in turn I've been able to help the First Nations, Indigenous boys at the college.
I think Mr Brennan's a good principal because he starts a conversation with us and really knows what we feel, you know.
Thank you Mr Brennan, and it was really very good time we had with you, and special thanks to accommodating from New South Wales to Queensland in year 12. That is really extraordinary support you provided us. Thank you so much.
Thanks for everything Mr Brennan, all the best for you and the family in the future. Good luck.
Thanks Matthew, and thanks for welcoming us to the school, and we'll miss your morning waves and telling the boys to put their socks up in the evening time.
Hi Mr Brennan, just want to wish you all the best for the future, and thank you so much for all your contributions to the school. Thank you.
Thanks sir, you've been such a great principal to me. Really appreciate you always being there in the morning.
Thanks sir, really enjoy your principal's addresses.
Good luck to you in the future, sir. You did great at this school.
Thank you, Mr Brennan.